what I'm gonna try to do is get this right about there. Should be easy. I gotta, for pretend, light the fuse. You know what I mean? For pretend, and get it in there. And it has to go into the deep, because if it doesn't, it's gonna be really bad. For pretend. Oh shit, there it goes. Whoa, that was fucking badass. That was fucking badass. Did y'all see that? That was my first successful underwater demo, and like kind of almost what I was expecting. I better get a bunch of views and a bunch of likes.